This chapter is Exercise and Sport Nutrition as presented by Jasmine Rea and Paloma Guijar. Nutrition is the science of food and is generally described as the sum total of the process involved in the intake and utilization of food, including the ingestion, digestion, absorption, and metabolism of food. History. The term nutrition in its various forms in the English language originated sometime between the 15th and 16th centuries. Nutrition science developed in the 20th century with its roots in medicine, physiology, and the biological sciences. It was officially recognized as an independent discipline on April 11, 1933, with the founding of the American Institute of Nutrition. Harvard Fatigue Laboratory. Research conducted in metabolism, environmental physiology, physical fitness, and nutrition formed the foundation for research in modern laboratories of exercise physiology. Nutrition and exercise. True science of the association between diet and sports performance developed within the last 50 years. Many discoveries have been made since, including the benefits of carbohydrate loading, fluid balance, sports drinks, etc. Many significant contributions have been made to further the science of nutrition and form a firm foundation for future research. The parent and related disciplines are biology, chemistry, dietetics, food science, and pharmacology. Areas of study, sport-related, intake and performance, carbohydrate. The availability of carbohydrates to muscles is a limiting factor in prolonged exercise of moderate intensity. Protein, necessary to build muscle size and strength. Fat represents a major source of energy for working muscles, particularly at low intensities, and training enhances the muscle's ability to utilize free fatty acids as an energy source during exercise. Vitamin and mineral serve as essential links and regulators in the chain of metabolic reactions within cells, which help release the energy trapped inside carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. Water, electrolytes, and physical performance. Ergogenic aids, application of nutrition to injury rehabilitation and sports medicine. Areas of study, health-related, coronary heart disease. This disease begins in childhood and progresses over time, resulting in atherosclerotic plaques on walls of the coronary arteries, resulting in reduced blood flow to the heart. Nutrigenomics, the study of the interaction of nutrients with the human genome. Obesity, excessive amount of body fat.
Technology and research tools. Muscle biopsy technique, used in establishing the role of diet and exercise on muscles. Blood and urine analysis, to evaluate the effect of nutritional or pharmacological substances on exercise-induced muscle damage and performance. Calorimetry, to determine the energy value of food. Metabolic measurements, to measure the amount of energy that the body uses at rest and during exercise. Dietary recall and analysis, to determine whether an individual is meeting his or her recommended dietary allowances for essential nutrients. Body composition assessment, for examining the distribution of fat in the body. The Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics educational pathway for high school graduates is receiving a high school diploma, applying to a university or college that offers a CATE-accredited didactic program in dietetics or coordinated program, choosing between the two, then applying for registration eligibility with CDR, taking an RD exam, and finally receiving state licensure or certification if applicable. Certification for dietetics is Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics, and the Commission of Dietetic Registration. For sports nutrition is Board Certified Specialist, Gerontological Nutrition, Renal Nutrition, Pediatric Nutrition, or Oncology Nutrition, Certified Specialist in Sports Dietetics, Sports Nutrition Specialist Certifications, International Society of Sports Nutrition, National Council on Strength and Fitness, and the American Fitness Professionals and Associates. The Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics is a licensure that ensures only qualified trained professionals provide nutritional counseling, and each state has its different licensure. There are two employment routes, dietetics and exercise and sport nutrition. In dietetics, employment includes healthcare facilities, food and nutrition related industries, private practice, and educators. In exercise and sport nutrition, employment includes teaching and research, exercise and sport nutrition specialists, nutrition consultants, cardiac rehabilitation, and corporate fitness and health clubs. Professional associations for nutrition include Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics, Sports Cardiovascular and Wellness Nutritionist, and International Society of Sports Nutrition. Future directions include private consultation, nutrition research on childhood obesity, healthcare management for older adults, nutrigenomics, and the effect of dietary manipulation and ergogenic aids on exercise performance and body composition. All information was taken from the textbook Introduction to Exercise Science, co-edited by Terry Hausch, Donna Hausch, and Glenn Johnson.